For example, she or he wants coffee. So you say 他要咖啡. If it's a question, like does he or all the time need to change the order, right? For example, if a statement say he wants coffee, if a question say does he want coffee, if another question like what does he want, right? So we need to change the order, not always subject, verb, object. But Chinese, we always keep the same. That's why, for example, say, does he want coffee? But we still say, he wants coffee. Yes, we just add ma. So like say, 他要咖啡吗? Enough means, does he want coffee? We don't need to change. We follow the same. Okay? Then when you answer, you use the verb to answer. Like say, 他要咖啡吗? English say yes or no. Chinese, you use the verb to answer. You say 要 or 不要. Yes. So this one. And now we learn another option. So if you don't want to use ma, then how to do? Then we use positive, negative. We still use the verb. So then we do like this. Then we say 他要不要咖啡? Yes. So these two, the same. Which one you like, you use. If you want very easy, you just add ma. If you want a little bit flexible, then you use this one. So you see the verb very important in Chinese language. So this one say 要不要 means you want or not want coffee. Okay, then no need ma. Yes, the same. For example, say I'm a teacher. So 我是老师. So if ask question like are you teacher? Oh, I ask you. Are you teacher? So yes. So it's 你是老师吗? This one option. So another option, if you don't want to use ma, then you say 你是不是老师? Yes. So 你是不是老师? So that's why I say when we speak Chinese from very beginning level, you build this good habit that when speak Chinese, don't translate English. I'm a teacher, I need to explain, so I have to speak English to show you, okay? But when you speak Chinese, try not to translate, use the picture. Why? Because when translate, the order is so different, always a mistake, also take too much time. Look, use the picture, why? For example, if I ask you, I say, are you teacher? If in English, you say, are you teacher? Do you? Because many students before ask me, hi teacher, how to translate do? I say, why? Because do you want coffee? So how to say do? You see, that's translate, always have problem. That's why don't translate, use picture. Look, if I ask her, like, do you want coffee? Start with people. 你, so verb, 要咖啡吗? 你是老师吗? Always use picture. People first. 你要不要咖啡? 你是不是老师? Yes, start with people, then verb, then easy. Understand? Yes. And we also learn 叫, right?
Yes.
Name. For example, say 我叫 Linda, 你叫 Peter. If I ask you, say, oh, are you, like, is your name Peter? So don't translate, speak Chinese. So then, 你叫 Peter 吗? Yes. If another option say, 你叫不叫 Peter? Yes. Right?
Sometimes we ask that your name. So can you tell that 大家吗? Can you tell? Sometimes we ask your name. In this way,
What's your name?
Indirect, right?
You mean what's your name?
Yes.
What's your name? Today we'll learn that's another one because that's need question word. So then, understand this now? Okay. So now look. So subject is people. Now you can change to many people. Okay, English okay, I speak English now. Explain. For example, say okay, so do you want coffee or does he want to? If I change, I say, does your wife want coffee? Is your wife a teacher? Right? So can change people subject now. If you start to translate, oh my God, how to say, does your wife, do your wife want coffee? So you need to, So picture, people first. So then I say, 你的 look picture, 你的太太要咖啡吗 Right? This is easy. Like say, 你的太太是老师吗 See? So use picture, don't translate. Okay? Now try quickly make sentences. Use this or this. Okay? Sentence. Yes.
你是中文老师吗？
Correct. Next.
我喝茶
Huh?
I drink tea
我
我
喝
喝茶
Yeah. Now we use this. Make a question. Make a question.
你的老公要不要咖啡？
Good. 你的老公，你的丈夫要不要咖啡
你是不是中国人？
？Correct. Next. 你是不是中国人？Next. Quickly make.
他要不要咖啡吗？no， 他要不要咖啡？
Yes. Next. This is easy, right? Now you change the verb, change object, also can change people. Remember, we learn many people, your wife, your friend, your girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, children, right? Teacher, student. Okay. Next.
你的学生咖啡吗？
Need the verb.
你的学生要咖啡吗？
Now correct. Yes. 你的学生 your student. 你的学生要咖啡吗 Good. Next.
他要不要水？
Yes. 他要不要水 Picture. Picture. Good. Next.
他们的中国学生吗？
Need the verb. No verb. Try again. People, verb. Try again.
We all are Chinese students.
Try speak Chinese.
他们
他们
是中国学生吗？
Now correct. Because 他们 right plural. They. So 他们 verb 是 because the first you didn't use the verb. So 他们是中国学生吗 They are Chinese student. Right. Next.
你的朋友有没有孩子？
有没有孩子
你的老师要咖啡吗？
Good. So 你的老师要咖啡吗Picture. Yes. Next.
你的朋友是老师吗？
Yes. So 你的朋友是老师吗 Next.
你的丈夫叫不叫 Mike？
Yes. So 你的丈夫叫不叫 Mike? So your husband called or not called Mike? Yes. Yes. Yes.
那个男孩是不是你的孩子？
Yes. Correct. 那个男孩是不是你的孩子 Next. One more. Yes.
他的女朋友是不是美国人
Yes, look, say 他的女朋友是不是美国人 means his girlfriend is or is not American people. See, when you use picture, easy make sentence.
你是不是我的朋友？
Yes, look, 你是不是我的朋友 See, when you use a picture, very easy to build sentence, right? Don't translate. If you translate, oh, it's a disaster. Okay, understand? Okay, now continue. So now this one fine, right? Look, now